Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you honest, in-depth reviews to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're reviewing what we consider the best school backpack with a dedicated 15.6-inch laptop compartment, the Kamater Girls Backpack for School. Let's kick things off with design. At first glance, the Kamater backpack looks sleek and understated with its all-black aesthetic. It's clearly built with students in mind, from middle schoolers to college attendees, and it balances that fine line between youthful and professional. But where it truly shines is its form factor. The bag manages to look compact while still packing in significant storage space. The backpack is divided into two main compartments. The first is your standard spacious interior that can hold books, binders, and everyday essentials. But the second is where it gets interesting. It houses a padded laptop compartment that fits laptops up to 15.6 inches. And this isn't just a slip-in pocket. It's cushioned for shock absorption, ensuring your device stays protected during your commute, whether you're walking, biking, or hopping on a bus. Another huge plus is the ergonomic back support. Anyone who's carried a heavy bag for long school days knows how critical back comfort is. Kamater has integrated breathable padding along the back panel and shoulder straps, making it more comfortable to wear over extended periods. It's lightweight to begin with, but this extra comfort design helps reduce the strain on your shoulders and spine. Next, let's talk materials. The outer shell is made from durable, water-resistant polyester. That means even if you get caught in a drizzle, your laptop and notebook stay dry. The zippers are smooth and durable, and the stitching holds up even after extended daily use. It's clear this bag was made to last through semesters, not just seasons. There's a surprising amount of organization as well. Inside the compartments, you'll find various pockets and sleeves for pens, phones, chargers, and even snacks. The side pockets are perfect for water bottles or compact umbrellas. It may not have the loud aesthetics of other backpacks marketed towards students, but that's kind of the point. It focuses on function, not fluff. What really sets it apart is how lightweight it is. Despite the padding and structural support, the bag doesn't feel bulky. You're not carrying the weight of the bag itself, just what's inside it. And that's essential for younger students or anyone walking long distances on campus. In real-world use, this backpack performs beautifully. It's ideal for school, but it can easily double as a travel bag, carry-on, or even a minimalist work backpack. Its unisex appeal makes it suitable for just about anyone looking for a no-nonsense, highly functional, laptop-ready backpack. If you're someone who needs reliability, comfort, and protection for your gear, especially your laptop, this bag checks all the boxes. You're not just getting storage. You're getting intelligent design focused on practicality and day-to-day usability. So here's the bottom line. The Kamater Girls Backpack offers an ergonomic, durable, and thoughtfully designed solution for students and young professionals alike. If you're looking for the best 15.6-inch laptop school backpack that gets the job done without the frills, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more detailed reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.